Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 11th June current affairs. Myself, Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to my channel, Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the current affairs. The first one, Gujarat's pride grows as it now hosts 674 Gir lions. Here, there is a Gir National Park in Gujarat. It is home for Asiatic lions. This Asiatic lion is a Panthera leo population in India. Now, its current age range is restricted to the Gir National Park in Gujarat. Here, if you see the graph, that is more the merrier. The number of Asiatic lions in Gir forest in Gujarat has increased by nearly 30% between. It is a 5-year census. 5 years recording, that means previous one, that is recorded in 2015, now it has to record it in April due to COVID-19. It is now recorded in June 6th and 7th, 5th and 6th. The highest rise between two census year is previous one, it is 523 Asiatic lions, now it is increased to almost 30%, that is 674 Asiatic lions. If you see that from 1990, that means 1990 or 1995 or 2001, 2005, 2010 and 2015 and 2020, that means almost there is increasing in nature. That means from 1992 there is no decrease. That means from 294, 364, 327, 359, 411 and 500, 674. Now it is a increasing pattern. Here there are some measures are taking in a Gir National Park. There is a drawback. Why? Because in last year or some previous years we have seen some 39 lions are died due to this canine distemper virus, that means famously known as a CDV. Here first of all we will know about what is CDV. That is it is a contagious viral illness caused by the morphivirus. It is caused by morbilla virus. How it is contracted? That means spread through the air and direct and indirect contact with infected animals and materials. That means it is regularly known as, it comes from dogs, or if you suppose it comes also from direct indirect contaction or from through air also. Symptoms are high fever, reddened eyes, watery discharge from nose and eyes, lethargy, anxiosia, persistent vomiting, diarrhea. Later stage can include seizures, paralysis and hysteria. Here these are the symptoms for the CDV, that is canine distemper virus. What is the prevention or way forward to this virus, that means CDV virus? There is a vaccine imported from foreign countries in India. Now that's why Asiatic lions are increasing in this Gujarat Gir National Park. As per Gir National Park is important for static GK and as well as now it is important for Asiatic lions also. Next one, we have seen tensions between India and China last 1 month, and it is started from May 5th. Now yesterday we have discussed on the some talks or some ease of on standoff. That means there is a standoff or skirmish. Skirmishes means fight between these two countries like India and China. Now there is also standoff between some areas like Pangzo Lake and Nakula in Sikkim and Galwan in Ladakh. These are the conflict areas between India and China. Now it is agreed to disengagement from Galwan area or some Pangzo Lake and some patrolling points like 15, 17. But now China is disregarding historic commitments on Nakula in Sikkim. Here right side I have given a picture about Sikkim, that is located, that Nathula Pass is located in a right side between India and China. There is a convention, that is 1890, between Sikkim and Tibet Convention 1890. In that there is a Article 1. Its Article 1 states the boundary of Sikkim and Tibet shall be the crest of the mountain range. We know that Sikkim is a crest of mountain range. That's why that boundary in the area is based on the watershed principle. That means there is a river, that is Teesta river. That Teesta river will separate the India and Sikkim, or India and Tibet. That's why the boundary in the area based on the watersheds principles. It also the boundary of Sikkim and Tibet shall be the crest of mountain range. There is a undemarcated boundary between India and China. That's why that China troops are entered into the India. That's why our external affairs person, that is S. Jaishankar, is telling that this treaty India will accept, but that treaty had only been partially implemented on the ground. Now it has to be fully implemented. Then only there are no tensions, or there are no skirmishes between, or there are no standoffs between India and China. That's why we have to move our talks between for full implementation of this Sikkim and Tibet Convention, that is 1890. Next one, new guidelines for import of exotic species. First of all, we have to know what is the exotic species. That is the animals named under the appendices 1, 2, 3 of the CITES. CITES mean Convention of International Trade in Endangered Species. CITES mean Convention of International Trade in Endangered Species. Now, the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, that is MOEEFC, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, that is urges people to make a voluntary report. Suppose I have imported some exotic species from foreign countries. Now I have to give voluntary report to this ministry, that is Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate. Why? Why I have to report, or why I have to report this as a voluntarily? Why? Because due to this COVID-19, there is a illegal wildlife trade is happening in there, and there is also a diseases will come like zoonotic diseases. Zoonotic diseases means the diseases comes from animal to human is known as a zoonotic diseases. Here, that's why we have to give voluntary report to the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. I have previously said that the animals named under the appendices 1, 2, 3 and the Convention of the International Trade in Endangered Species. These we can import. Then what we cannot import? That means species covered by the Wildlife Protection Act, that is 1972, cannot be traded. Species covered by the Wildlife Protection Act, that is 1972, cannot be traded. Here we have to get the no objection certificate from CLWL, that is Chief Wildlife Warden. The importer should obtain no objection certificate from the Chief Wildlife Warden, that is CLWL. Here, due to COVID-19, every economic situation is under worst condition, or in a worsened condition. That's why in the part of also, and as NBFCs face redemption pressure, Reserve Bank hints at more support. First of all, we have to see what is NBFCs, that is non-banking financial companies. The name itself defines, apart from banks, there is a popular NBFCs in India. They are Indian Bulls Home Loans, IIFL, Tata Capital, DHFL, Religare, LIC, Fulton Indian, and Aditya Birla Research Services, Financial Services. Aditya Birla Financial Services. These are the popular NBFCs in India. Then now you can get one idea about what is NBFCs. There is a difference between NBFCs and banks. Banks means like Union Bank of India and State Bank of India are like PSUs or PSBs, public sector banks. Now coming to our article, that is As NBFC face redemption pressure, Reserve Bank hints at more support. That means here we have to concentrate, need to go beyond liquidity related measures to credit related one. Beyond liquidity, that means RBI is giving more liquidity to these NBFCs or banks. RBI asked to give more support to NBFCs from banking. Apart from that, we have to give some credit related ones also. Why banks are not giving more liquidity to the mutual funds or NBFCs? That is due to greater risk sensitivity and heightened risk aversion there in that mutual funds. That means by every second it will changes their share prices or any, it is in a volatile nature. That's why we need a policy interventions in this situation. Next one, I have promised to make a previous paper analysis, that is UPSC prelims 2019. RNA interference, that is RNAi, that is ribonucleic acid. Technology has gained popularity in the last few years. Why? RNAi technology has gained popularity in the last few years. Why? Options are given here. It is used in developing gene slicing therapies. The name itself defines RNA interference, that means composition or dividing. That means the first one is right. It is used for developing gene slicing therapies. It can be used in the developing therapies for treatment of cancer. That means cancer is to diffuse the cells, then we can fight against this cancer. That's why it can be used also in the therapies, developing therapies for the treatment of cancer also. It can be used to develop hormone replacement therapies. It only does the separation or cutting or any from, suppose there is a hormone or there is a proton one by one like this. If I use this RNA interference, it will cut into pieces. That means it will separate. That's why there is no use or there is no development in the hormone therapy. Hormone replacement therapy means, suppose this is a hormone, now I have to replace with this one. Suppose I have to replace with this one. That's why there is no use of hormone displacement. That's why third option is wrong. It can be used to produce crop plants that are resistant to viral pathogens. We can produce the crop plants that are resistant to viral pathogens. Fourth option is also correct. That's why select the correct answer using the code given below. A 1, 2, 4, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 3, D 1 and 4 only. Select the correct answer using the given below. A is the correct option. That's why 1, 2 and 4 are the right options. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep. Take care. Bye bye.